Alright, going over some cigarette stocks today. The first we have on the list is Altria. We have a series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above the 200 moving average on the daily chart. If you look on my channel, back on the 6th of January over here at this arrow, we identified a pocket of potential support right around 52, 53. Price pulled back in and currently bouncing out of it. Now, if you're in this trade, you want to be locking in your profits along the way. On the hourly chart, price is also trading nicely above that 200 moving average. Next we have on the list is Philip Morris. Philip Morris, we do have a series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above this 200 moving average. Now this is very extended to the upside at these levels. If you look on my channel, we went over this chart a few times last year, and the most significant one was here back in June 25th, 2024. It was right here at this arrow. Price pulled back in to a pocket of potential support, but notice this pattern right here. For over here, we had a downward trend and price was able to push up above this downward trend, pull them back and start to use it as support. These are key areas that I look for. Now when the stock is very extended up at these levels, it's very hard for me to trade this. You see that we have a very big gap right here. When you're looking for a much deeper pullback with Philip Morris, you want to make sure that it can fill up these gaps along the way before you adding to more of your position. Now if you're just swing trading this for profit, what you can do, you can lock in your profits along the way. Next we have on the list is BTI. Taking a quick look at this, if I were to extend this line, price got back up above this 200 moving average. Right now we're continuing to series of higher highs and higher lows. What I can do here, you can start to measure this pullback right here. What I do is I use my fib extensions and I work its way backwards. You can see this pullback right here is very similar to the one we're currently experiencing right now. If I were to use the trend line, clicking from that pivot high to pivot low, $5.37 a pullback over here, $5.43 a pullback. So that's a single symmetry support. Now let's take a quick look at my fib retracements, clicking from this pivot low to pivot high. You also have a 618, so that's already a two price relationship. On the hourly chart, price is also trading nicely above the 200 moving average. Now this may not be a very high volume stock, but I want you guys to notice this is a dividend paying stock. People like their tobacco products, and now they're getting into vaping as well, so that's the next biggest thing they're going to go after. Cannabis, vaping, different things like that. Next we have on the list is VGR, Vector Group. Now this one trades a little bit more erratically. Don't really know what to do with a chart like this. At extended areas up like this, I'm looking for a pullback. So there isn't much I want to talk about with this stock. Next on the list, we have something called Turning Point. Now you can see right now we're very extended up at these levels. At one point, it was trading with a series of lower highs and lower lows. Nobody really paying attention to it. But at some point, it starts to get some strength back up above that 200 moving average on the daily chart. Begins to become very interesting. Now over here right now, you just gotta wait for the next pullback or just wait for the next market cycle. You can see that price goes up and then it dumps, right? It flattens out and it begins to work its way back up with a series of higher lows. Right now at these extended levels, it's very hard for me to trade it. So just wait for the next cycle or find a better stock. So out of all the stocks that we looked at today, I think Altria still has the best opportunity for upside, and this is something you just want to hold on to long term. It's trading right around 56 right now, but at some point was trading above 70. It was close to $80. The company is very profitable, not going anywhere anytime soon. Let me know what your thoughts are concerning the tobacco industry, different stocks you're looking at in this sector. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you soon. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups and cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.